Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will see how to set the orientation and margins of your worksheet while you take a printout in Microsoft Excel. So let us open software. As I need some data, I'll open a previously saved file, that is this one here, and we have some data. So this list of data has like almost 200 number of rows. So if you take a printout of this, how the print preview will look like. So let us check that. So I'll click on the print preview button here. So we are going to have 5 sheets as you can see, right? So let us go back to the worksheet, click on this arrow. So how to set the orientation and the margins? Keep it in mind, if you want to customize or modify your worksheet before you take a printout, all the tools available for the customization is available under the page layout tab here in the page setup panel. So as you can see, margins is here, orientation is here, the options are available here. But it is better to click on this arrow at the bottom right corner, click on it, and you will get a dialog box like this about page setup. And they are the exact same option from here in this box. Got it? So let us see about the orientation. So currently the orientation is in portrait mode as you can see here. So if I click on the print preview here, you can see how it looks like, right? Let's go back. Click on this arrow at the bottom right corner. Now if I keep it in landscape and click on print preview, can you see the difference? Yes, we have now more number of sheets. It was 5, now it is 6, as you can see here. See the difference between See the difference between portrait and landscape is that portrait is used when you have less number of columns in your worksheet, but landscape is used whenever you have more number of columns. As you can see, we have some blank space here at the right of the sheet. If you had more columns, it will be helpful, right, to see them all in the one sheet. So that is the purpose of landscape orientation. For this type of data, portrait orientation is the better one. So that is about the orientation. Now let us come to the margins here. See this margin over here and this margin over here, both are same. So as you can see here, you can set the margins for the left, right, top and bottom corner. It's in inches. So you can use this arrow to increase or decrease the value, and also you can input how much header value you want and the footer value you want, and you can click on the print preview. Got it? So that is about the orientation and margins. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.